Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How do you do? Okay, first let me introduce myself. My name is Marcelinus Aris Hardono. My students call me Pak Marcel. I'm from Jogja and I live in Jogja. I'm 52 years old. I'm married and I have a son. And is there anything else you want to know about me? Ask me questions then. If there is something else you want to know about me, ask me questions about myself and try to practice your English. Come on. Come on. Try to practice your English by asking me questions about myself. Don't you have any questions? Are you sure you don't have any questions? Well, if you don't have any questions, I think it's time now for me to get to know you better. So I'd like all of you, one by one, introduce yourself. Okay, are you ready? Let's start with Regi Setiawibowo. Regi, are you there? Regi Setiawibowo. Okay, we skip him. Next, Nabila Shinta.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Sorry, Nabila, can you turn on your camera? Okay. Okay, Nabila, introduce yourself, please.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Nabila Sintaratenika. I live in Sukoharjo and I'm from study program Animal Husbandry.
Okay, you major in animal husbandry. And what is your dream for your future? What do you want?
My dream is I want to be a success people.
You want to be a successful person.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Nabila.
Okay, sure.
Next, Neneh Larasati.
Hello everyone. My name is Neneh Larasati. You can call me Laras. I am from Kulon Progo and I'm from program studi animal husbandry.
Okay, do you live in Kulon Progo now?
Yes.
Where in Kulon Progo do you live? Is it in Wates or Pengasih or what?
Wates.
In Wates.
Near Glagah Beach.
Near Glagah Beach. So it's Toyan, right? Near Toyan. Near Toyan?
Yes.
Okay. Do you often go to Glagah Beach? Laras, do you often go to Glagah Beach?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Do you enjoy going to the beach? Not really.
I don't like beach.
You don't like
lebih
beach.
Lebih ke gunung.
In English, please. Try to say it in English. Why don't you like going to the beach?
Because I am allergies wine.
Okay, I see. Okay, thank you, Neneh. Laras, sorry.
Yes.
Laras, I think that's enough. Next, Anissa Dwi Purwanti. Anissa Dwi Purwanti, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, Anissa, go on. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Dwi Purwanti. I'm live in Karanganyar. I'm from economic development.
You are from development economics.
Yeah.
Not economics development, but development economics. Development economics. Why did you choose development economics?
Because my dream, sir.
So what is your dream? What do you want to be?
I want to work in
Anissa, sorry, your voice is interrupted. I cannot hear you clearly. Can you repeat that, please? What is your dream?
My dream is
Anissa?
Yes.
Look at the camera when you talk to me. What is your dream?
I want to work in sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I don't.
No, what do you want to be? You want to work in a company, for example? In a multinational company or what?
I don't know how speak to
say it?
English. Say to English.
Okay, in Indonesia, what is it?
Saya ingin bekerja di pemerintahan.
You want to work as a part of
pegawai negeri sipil.
How do you say? Can anyone help her? How do you say pegawai negeri sipil in English? How do you say pegawai negeri sipil in English? Civil servant. Civil servant. So you want to be a civil servant. Anissa?
Yes.
So you want to be a civil servant. Okay, I repeat my question. What is your dream?
I want to be a civil
servant.
I want to be a civil servant.
Okay, thank you, Anissa.
Thank you, sir.
I think that's enough. Next,
Yes.
Kesa Ananda. Kesa Ananda.
Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kisa. I live in Karanganyar. I'm majoring in animal husbandry.
Why did you choose animal husbandry?
Because I want to learn more about how to treat the animals well.
Okay, and what is your dream?
I want to work in some company.
And what do you want to work? Do you want to work as a what? What do you want to work?
Sorry, sir. I can't hear you.
What exactly do you want to be?
I want to be. I want to be work in some company as a staff or anything.
Okay, Kisa. Kisa, how old are you?
I'm 17 years old,
You
sir.
are 17. Okay, thank you, Kisa. I think that's enough. Next, Kansa Arsenda. Kansa Arsenda, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kanza Arsenda. You can call me Kanza. I'm from management. I live in Solo.
You live in Solo. Where in Solo do you live?
Pajang.
In Pajang. And how do you go to campus from Pajang? Do you go to campus by motorcycle or what?
Yes, sir.
By motorcycle. How long does it take?
30 minutes.
30 or 13?
30.
30 minutes. What is your favorite food in Solo?
Almost all foods my favorite.
Like what?
Like Indomie.
Indomie. Seleraku.
Tete, sir.
Indomie seleraku. Why do you like noodles?
Because easy to make noodles.
Because is it easy to make? Does it taste delicious? Do you think?
Of course.
Okay. How often do you eat noodles?
Almost every day, maybe.
Almost every day. Okay, thank you, Kansa.
Yes.
Next, Anita Anastasia.
Yes, sure.
Okay, go on. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Anastasia. I live in Karanganyar. I'm from Development Economic.
So you live in Karanganyar. And who do you live with?
How, sure?
In Karanganyar. Who do you live with?
With my parents.
With your parents. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have little brothers.
So you live with your parents and your brother.
Yes.
Does your brother live with you in the same house?
Yes.
So when I ask you, who do you live with? You can answer me by saying, I live with my parents and my brother. Okay? Okay, I repeat my question. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my brothers.
Okay, tell me about your brother.
My brother is
what's his name? What's his name?
Her name is Febrian Rafa.
How do you call him? Febri or Rafa? And how old is he?
9 years old.
9 years old. And what does he do? Is he a student?
Yes, he is a student.
Is he a elementary school student?
Yes.
Okay, so when I ask you about your brother, you can tell me, my brother's name is Rafa. He's 9 years old and he's an elementary school student, something like that. Okay? I repeat my question. Tell me about your brother.
My brother's name is Rafa. He's 9 years old. He's school in elementary school.
Okay, he studies in an elementary school. Okay, thank you, Anita.
Thank you, Stover.
Next, Muhammad Zaki. Muhammad Zaki, are you there?
Sir, Muhammad Zaki have a trouble with the signal, sir. With the signal.
With the connection.
Yes.
Okay.
The connection.
I'll deal with him later. Next,
Yes.
Nabila Rizky. Nabila Rizky.
Yeah.
Okay, Nabila. Go on, introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nabila Rizka Alfania, and people call me Bella. I'm 18 years old. I live in Scotland.
So you are 18 years old, right? So when were you born?
May 16, 2003.
Okay, sorry, I cannot hear you clearly. Your voice is interrupted. I changed my question. When is your birthday?
16 May 2003.
When I ask you about your birthday, you don't need to say the year because you celebrate your birthday every year, right? You just say the date and the month. Okay, I repeat my question. When is your birthday?
Yes. 16 May.
16th of May, the 16th of May. Nabila, how tall are you?
158.
158 centimeters. And what is your weight? What is your weight? 50 kilograms, maybe 55?
50.
50 kilograms.
Yes.
Do you think it's an ideal weight for you? 50 kilograms, do you think it is an ideal weight for you? Or do you think you are too fat?
I think yes.
It's an ideal weight for you, do you think? Okay, Bila, thank
no,
you. I think it's enough for you.
Yes, sir.
Next, M. Ilham Isa. M. Ilham Isa, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, introduce yourself, please.
Let me introduce myself. Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Ilham Isa Karullah. I'm from Tulungagung, East Java, and right now I'm learning in management in 11 Maret University, and I live with my parents, with my two brothers and my grandmother. And yes.
So
yes.
you live in Tulungagung, East Java.
Yes, sir.
Where in East Java? Where in East Java is Tulungagung located?
West side of Blitar.
West of Blitar. How far is it from Blitar?
1 till 2 hours from my house. So yeah.
By 1 hour by car.
Motorcycle and
by
car.
Motorcycle.
Yes, yes, sir.
Do you often go to Blitar?
Yes, yes.
What do you do?
Maybe one. I have some project with my parents, so
yeah. You have a project with your parents in
yes.
Blitar.
Yes, and I have a grandmother in Blitar, so I mostly go to Blitar.
So you often go to Blitar to visit your grandmother?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ilham. I think that's enough. Next, Amalia Brilliant. Amalia Brilliant. Do you hear me? Okay,
yes.
Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Amalia Brilliant Skortaji. I live in Kebumen. I'm from Food Science Technology.
You are from Food Science Technology. What do you study in Food Science Technology? What do you study in Food Science Technology?
Food processing.
Food processing, and what else?
Yeah.
Amalia.
Yes.
What do you mean by food? When you say food processing, what kind of food is it?
Fermentation, maybe.
I see. Is it main food like rice for us in Indonesia?
Yes.
So food processing deals with, for example, rice processing in Indonesia. Why did you choose food science technology?
I'm interested in food processing.
Because you're interested in food processing.
Yes.
What makes you interested in it?
I like food.
Oh, you like food. So do I. I like food too. Okay, thank you, Amalia. Next, Febrio Deva. Febrio Deva, are you there?
Good morning, sir. My
Morning.
name is Febrio Deva. My name is Febrio Deva Prasetya. I am from
sorry, Deva.
Technology Science.
Sorry, Deva. Deva.
Yes.
Look
yes,
at look at the camera when you talk to me. Look at the camera. Okay, introduce yourself.
Sorry, sir. I have a cough.
Okay, it's okay. Go on. But look at the camera.
My name is Febrio Deva Prasetya. I live in Sukoharjo.
No, you don't look at the camera. Look at the camera, please. Look at the camera. Go on. Introduce yourself.
I'm from Food Science and Technology. And I live in Sukoharjo, Central Java.
Okay. Deva, I'd like you to repeat introducing yourself, but by looking at the camera. Look at the camera when you introduce yourself. Come on, repeat it. Look at the camera.
My name is Febrio Deva Prasetya. I live in Sukoharjo, Central Java, and I'm from Food Science and Technology.
It seems that you still don't look at the camera. Look at the camera, please, when you introduce yourself. Repeat it. Go on. Look
Okay,
at.
sir.
Keep looking at the camera. Introduce yourself, please.
Morning, sir. My
Morning.
name is Febrio Deva Prasetya. I live in Sukoharjo, Central Java, and I'm from Food Science and Technology.
Okay, good. Who do you live with?
I live with my mother and little sister.
Tell me about your sister.
My sister is 10 years old, and she is 5th grade. She studies in elementary school.
Okay, look at the camera, please. Look, what's her name?
Her name is Devina Maharani.
How do you call her?
I usually call her Mina.
Nina. Okay, thank you, Deva. Next, Anindya Dwi. Anindya Dwi.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Today, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Anindya Dwi Kusumali Jayanti, and I live in Sukoharjo with my parents, my big sister, and my brother. And I'm from study program Food Science Technology.
So, were you born in Sukoharjo?
Mani.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Sate, Pak.
Sate. Why do you like it?
Because I like the sauce.
You like the sauce?
Yes.
Do you often eat sate? Come on, it's okay. Answer my question. Do you often eat sate?
No, sir.
Okay. What do you think is the good sate restaurant in Sukoharjo?
I don't eat in the restaurant, but I don't know how to spell in English, sir.
Okay, try to say it in Indonesia.
Saya kalau beli ada yang di jalan-jalan gitu.
Okay. That's not what I mean. When you cannot say one or two terms in English, it's okay for you to say it in Indonesia, but not a sentence. Just a word or a phrase. It's okay. When you cannot say it in English, you can say it in Indonesia, but not that long sentence. I don't want you to say long sentence in Indonesia. Okay, I think that's enough for you. How should I call you? Anin or Dwi or what?
Anin, sir.
Anin. Okay, Anin, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Next, Alia Nurrahma.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Alia Nurrahma, and I'm from Purwokerto. Right now, I'm studying in Food Science Technology Department in Universitas 11 Maret.
Okay, Alia.
Yes.
Alia Rahma. Do you know the meaning of your name? Alia Rahma. What does it mean? What is it?
Alia is height. Nur is what the spell is?
Like, right?
Like, yeah. And Rahma is pengasih, given.
Give. So, what is the meaning of your full name? Alia Nurrahma. What does it mean? Give. Like.
I don't know what the
hi.
I don't know what the English word, but in Indonesia I know.
Okay. Alia, what is your hobby?
I like to listening to music.
You like listening to music?
Yes.
What kind of music do you like to listen? Is it pop music or dangdut or campur sari maybe?
Oh, no.
No. Who is your favorite singer?
Right now, I like Love.
Love?
Love. L-A-U-B.
L-A-U-B.
Yes.
What is his best song?
Sorry?
What is the best song of the singer?
Perish in the Rain.
Perish in the Rain. Can you repeat that? The title of the song? Perish in the Rain.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Alia. I think that's enough.
Thank you.
Next, Alicia Berlinova.
Yes, sir.
Go on, introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Alicia Berlinova. Now I live in Klaten. I'm from study program Food Science Technology.
Okay, you live in Klaten now. Where in Klaten do you live?
In Delanggu.
In Delanggu. Where is Delanggu located?
Many fields, and then near the station, train station.
Near the railway station or train station. So, do you often go to Solo?
Yes.
How do you go to Solo?
By car.
By car. And what do you do in Solo?
School, because my senior high school in Solo.
Okay, where did you study when you were in high school?
7 Public School Surakarta.
7 Public School Surakarta. Okay, thank you. How should I call you? Alisha or Beryl or what?
Nova.
Nova. Okay, Nova, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Next, Keisha Danila. Keisha Danila, are you there?
Sorry, sir. Keisha laptop is unable to connect.
Okay, so she's
Still
got
problem.
She's got a trouble with his computer. Okay, let's skip her. Next, Jasmine Nabila. Jasmine Nabila.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm so sorry. My neighbor is doing some renovating, so it's kind of loud here.
Noisy.
Yes. Okay. My name is Jasmine Nabila. So you can call me Jasmine. I'm from Serang in Banten, and I'm currently majoring in international relations. Thank you.
Okay, you major in international relation. Why did you choose that study program? Why did you?
I choose international relation because some of the subject in my major, I take interest to them, like economics, law, and politics. Yeah, I take interest to them. Thank you.
And what is your dream?
Excuse me?
What is your dream for your future?
My dream is I just want to be a diplomat or work on embassy like that.
Okay, that's a good dream. I hope you will be successful in your career. Next, Agatha Audi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Agatha, introduce yourself, please.
Hello, my name is Agatha Audi Ayoviana, and people call me Audi. I live with my parents in Surakarta. I'm majoring in management study program.
So you major in management study program. What do you study in management study program?
I'm study mathematics business, lalu management, and then management, organizational behavior, and accounting.
Do you enjoy studying the subjects?
Yes, I enjoy.
What is your dream?
My dream is to become a successful entrepreneur.
Okay, good. That's good.
Yes.
May you have success. May you have a success in your career. Next. Devi Sekar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on. Introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devi Sekar Arum, but you can call me Sekar. I'm from Jakarta, more precisely in South Jakarta, and I'm from management study program.
So, who do you live with?
I live at Jakarta, sir.
And who do you live with? Do you live with your parents or your grandmother?
I live with my parents.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one older brother, but he went to work out of town more
Jakarta.
precisely. No, he want to work out of
Indonesia.
town more precisely on the Iceland.
Okay, but where does he live now? Your brother, where does he live now?
He live at West Kalimantan, sir.
So, okay. How old is he?
He's maybe 29 years old.
29 years old.
Yeah.
Do you miss him?
Maybe, but I can tell in English.
It's okay.
Kadang sih.
Sometimes. Okay, thank you, Devi. I think that's enough.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Jovan Giri Wijaya. Jovan, are you there, Jovan?
Okay, let's go. I'm here.
Okay, go on. Introduce yourself, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh semuanya. Good morning for everyone, my friend, and for all. How are you today? I hope you're good day for me and for my friend, for all. I would like introduce myself. Wait. Before I would like introduce myself, I have a good pantun for this morning. For today, to be more excited to start this morning. Let's go. Jadi kalau misalkan saya pantun, kalian bilang cakep ya. Asik. Let's go. Burung merpati terbang melayang.
Cakep.
Asik. Ulang. Burung merpati terbang melayang. Let's go.
Cakep.
Patah hati tak bisa terbang. Mana cakepnya?
Cakep.
Dalam hati masih sayang, apa daya kalau sudah milik orang. Terima. Forget it. Okay, let's go. My name is Jovan Giri Wijaya. I will spell my name Z-O-V-A-N. You can call me Zovan. Zo is up to you, whatever lah. Okay. I'm 8 years old, and soon next month my birthday. Asik. I waiting for gift from all of you for me. Asik, ditunggu hadiahnya, okay. I live in my parents. I live in Cikandip, Serang, Banten, Cikandip Pride, with Jasmine, Nabila Sofi, my brother. My hobby is rebahan or sleeping. Oh no, it's joke for me, chill and. My hobby is playing football, and I like to drink coffee. People out there question for me. Okay, jadi banyak di luar sana yang bilang kepada saya kayak, why did you choose UNS, Mr. Zovan? Okay. I say good question for me. Okay, kayak I choose UNS. There is a feeling of pride in my chest and want to eat all day cheap. Okay, when my chest is passionate. One more. When my chest is passionate, it say UNS, Universitas 11 Maret. Thank you for attention. Thank you everyone. Thank you semuanya. This is me and pitch out. Let's go boy.
Okay, Jovan, are you a YouTuber?
Oh, jelas Pak. Subscriber saya udah 2 juta Pak.
Really?
It's joke for me Pak. Chill.
But are you a YouTuber or not?
No. I'm playing futsal. My hobby is playing football. Not for YouTuber. Yeah. YouTuber kalau sebenarnya cita-cita ada, cuman kayak nggak tersampaikan.
Okay, thank you, Jovan. I think that's enough for you.
Okay, senang. Terima kasih juga Pak. You are welcome.
Okay, next Kalisa Arneta.
Hello everyone. Hello sir. Good morning. My name is Kalisa Arneta. My friends usually call me Neta. I'm from Solo, and I'm 9 years old.
So, do you live in Solo now?
Yeah.
Where in Solo do you live?
Manahan.
In Manahan. Kalisa, what is your hobby?
listen to the music and learn languages.
Learn languages. How many languages have you learned?
I've learned to around 4 or 5 languages.
Okay, what are they?
French. French. English, exactly.
English.
Thai, Chinese, and Korean.
Why do you like learning languages?
Because it's a plus value if I applied a job.
Okay, that's a good intention. What do you think the most difficult language to learn?
Chinese, of course.
Chinese.
Yeah. Chinese and Thai.
Chinese and Thai. You mean Thailand language?
Yeah, Thailand, that one.
Okay, thank you, Kalisha.
You're welcome.
I think that's enough. Next, Alfioni Radifa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on. Introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Alfioni Radifa, but you can call me Dipa. I am 18 years old. I'm from study program management.
Management study program.
Yes.
Where did you study when you were in high school? Where did you study when you were in high school?
SMA 14, sir.
How do you say SMA in English?
Sorry, sir, I cannot.
Anyone can help her? How do you say SMA in English? High school.
Yeah.
High school.
Your high school
14. Sorry, I cannot hear you clearly. Repeat that, please.
Senior high school 14 Batam.
14 Batam. And why did you choose 11 Maret University to continue your study? Diva?
Yes, sir.
Why, answer my question. Why did you choose 11 Maret University to continue your study?
Because saya
in English, please.
Saya nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.
Try to say it as hard as you can.
Saya memilih universitas.
No. In English, please. In English. Try as hard as you can.
I cannot speak English.
Try as hard as you can. Why did you choose 11 Maret University to continue your study?
The reason I chose 11 Maret University is in my dream.
Okay, Diva, thank you. Diva. Next, Abdul Hakim Maulana. Abdul Hakim.
Good morning, sir. My name is Abdul Hakim Mauladafa. People can call me Abdul. I live in Tangerang, Banten. I'm from management.
So you are from Tangerang. Tell me about Tangerang. Give me a description of Tangerang.
Tangerang, industrial city.
Tangerang is one of industrial cities in Indonesia. Terus, next. Are there any tourist destinations in Tangerang?
Gimana? Enggak ada. Gimana?
In English, please. Are there any tourist destinations in Tangerang?
No, sir. No.
No. What is special about Tangerang?
What?
What is special about Tangerang? Hakim, sorry, Abdul, look at the camera, please. Abdul, what is special about Tangerang? Answer my question and look at the camera while you answering my question.
Nothing special.
Nothing special. Do you enjoy living in Tangerang?
Yes, but I enjoy living in Tangerang.
What makes you enjoy living in Tangerang?
So many mall and yeah, that's.
Okay, thank you, Abdul.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Next, Adifa Adalila.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Go on, introduce yourself, please.
My name is Adifa Adalila Hasna. I live in Klaten, and I live with my parents and my brother. And I'm from Management Study Program. Thank you.
Adifa, how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
You are 18 years old. And how tall are you?
I'm 160 centimeters tall.
160 centimeters tall. And what is your weight?
I'm 50 kilograms.
50 kilograms. Do you think it's an ideal weight for your body?
Maybe a little.
A little too fat. Do you think you are a little too fat? Do you have a diet plan?
No, I like food, so.
So you don't have any diet plan?
No, sir.
What is your favorite food?
I like bakso, Indomie, and fried rice.
How do you say bakso in English? What is
meatballs?
Meatballs. So you like meatballs. And how do you say bakmi in English?
Noodles.
Noodles. So you like meatballs, noodles, and fried chicken. Fried rice or fried chicken?
Fried rice.
Fried rice. So I repeat my question. What is your favorite food?
I like meatball, noodles, and fried rice.
Okay, thank you, Adifa. I think that's enough.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Next, Pascal Alvito.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
okay,
go on.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Pascal Alvito Rizky Fatia. You can call me Pascal or Vito, but usually my friend call me Pascal. And I'm 18 years old. I'm from Sleman, Yogyakarta, but now I live at Prambanan, Klaten. I live with my parents and my younger brother.
Okay, Pascal or Vito.
Pascal, yes.
Pascal. How do your parents call you?
My parents call me Vito.
Vito. And what about your brother? How does he call you?
My brother call me Mas Vito.
Mas Vito. What is your hobby?
My hobby is play futsal. Same with Jovan.
Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player in futsal is Ricardinho from Portugal player.
Sorry, can you say it again?
Ricardinho.
From
Portugal.
Okay, thank you, Vito.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Dara Sekar Pinilih.
Yes, sure. Hello, everyone. Good morning. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dara Sekar Pinilih. You can call me Dara. I'm 18 years old. I live from and I live from Pati, Central Java. I'm from Management Studies Program. My hobby is watching K-drama. Thank you.
Okay, Dara Sekar Pinilih. What
Yes.
is the meaning of your name? Do you know the meaning of your name?
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, Dara means girl, right?
Oh, yes, I think.
Sekar means, what does Sekar mean?
Flower maybe?
And Pinile, what is Pinile?
I don't know.
Is it chosen?
Oh.
Girl, flower, chosen. So what do you think your meaning, your complete name mean? What do you think your complete name means?
I think it's very beautiful name from my parents.
Chosen flower girl.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your dream?
I have a dream to be a content creator maybe and businessman.
So do you like watching YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, how should I call you?
Dara.
Okay. Okay, Dara, thank you. I think that's enough for you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, Aulia Dava. Aulia Dava, are you there? No. Muhammad Ferdian Wahyu. Muhammad. Yeah, go on. Introduce yourself, please.
Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ferdian. You can call me Ferdian. I'm from Ngawi, East Java, but now I live in
Sorry, Ferdian, I cannot hear you clearly. Your voice is interrupted.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, repeat it.
I repeat again. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Ferdian Wahinu Pratama, but you can call me Ferdian. I'm from Ngawi, East Java, but now I'm staying in Solo at my cousin's house, and I'm majoring in management study program. And my dream is to be a person who giving each other without thinking. It's actually a billionaire, sir.
Okay, so you live in Solo now?
Yes, sir.
In a boarding house in Solo?
No, at my cousin's house.
Oh, at your cousin. Tell me about the house. Is it big or small or what?
It's comfy, sir.
Okay, and where are you now? Are you in your own bedroom now?
No, I'm at the living room.
You are in the living room?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me your opinion about The Simpsons.
I don't know. I just like the I don't know how to say. I just like
the appearance,
like
the picture
of their family.
Okay.
Going to vacation maybe.
So do you watch The Simpsons?
No.
No.
I'm just search on Google like nice virtual background for Zoom, and then I found this pic.
So it says that The Simpsons, there are many events now which already predicted in the film Simpsons. Do you know about it?
I know, sir. I saw it on meme.
Okay.
Like
thank
coronavirus, Donald Trump, and
yes, for example, the President Donald Trump. Okay, thank you, Ferdian.
Okay, yes, sir. You're welcome.
Next, Anida Khairul Nisa. Anida Khairul Nisa. Are you there, Anida? No. Next, Stephen Wijaya. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Oh,
okay.
There, Anida Khairul Nisa.
Sorry, what did you say?
Anida Khairul Nisa is here, sir.
Okay, Anida. Well, Anida first then. Anida Khairul Nisa. Where is she? Where is Anida? Anita? Okay, Anita. Introduce yourself, please.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. First of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello everyone, my name is Anida Khairulnisa. You can call me Anida. I'm from Depok, West Java, and I'm 18 years old. I like listening to the music.
What do you major in?
I'm majoring in English literature.
English literature. Why do you like studying English literature?
I don't know, I just like it. No specific reason.
So, what is your favorite subject in English literature?
So far I like intermediate structure.
Intermediate structure. And what is your dream?
I don't know. I just maybe I want to be a novelist.
You want to be a novelist. Why? Why do you want to be a novelist?
I just love to write.
You love to write. Okay, thank you, Anita. I think that's enough. Next, Stephen Wijaya.
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, friends. My name is Stephen Wijaya. I live in Magetan. At Magetan, it's near Sarangan, if you know it, in East Java. I'm from management study program. I'm 18 years old. Thank you.
What's your hobby, Stephen?
My hobbies is playing basketball, watching film, or listening music.
What is your favorite basketball club?
I like Golden State Warrior from USA.
Golden State. Tell me about it. Tell me about Golden State. How often is it wins the award? How often it wins the award?
I think that win NBA champion 17 under 18, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, thank you, Stephen. I think that's enough.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, I repeat once again. Muhammad Zaki Darmawan. Muhammad Zaki Darmawan. Are you there? No.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Muhammad Zaki. Introduce yourself, please.
Okay, my friend. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zaki Darmawan. You can call me Zaki or Jack. And I'm from Magetan, East Java. And I'm from management program study. And I like football.
Do your friends call you Jack?
Yes.
How come?
It's come from my nickname was Jackie, and some people just call me Jackie and then to Jack.
Okay. Sorry, where did you say you live?
I live in Magetan, East Java.
In Magetan.
Same like Stephen Wijaya.
So you are in Magetan now?
Yes.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I'm at home now.
Can you give me a description about your room? For example, there are 3 chairs and 1 table here. The wall is white, for example, something like that. Give me a description about your room.
Okay, my room is a minimalist room, and I'm actually in my bedroom now. There are 1 bed and one deep bed and 1 table, and then my laptop.
Okay, thank you. I think that's enough.
Okay.
Next, Aulia Dava Putri, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Aulia. Go on, introduce yourself, please.
Hello, my name is Aulia Deva Putri. You can call me Aulia. I'm from Bekasi, West Java, and I'm from Management Program Studi.
Aulia, repeat that, please. Introduce yourself and look at the camera while introducing yourself, and repeat it. Repeat once again, and now this time look at the camera while you introduce yourself. Go on.
Hello, my name is Aulia Deva Putri. You can call me Aulia. I'm from Bekasi, West Java, and I'm from Management Program Studi.
Management Study Program.
Sorry.
Why did you choose Management Study Program?
Because I want to be an entrepreneur.
Because you want to be an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Tell me about your parents. What do they do, your parents? What do they do? What are their jobs?
My mom is a teacher, and my dad is an entrepreneur.
Okay. About your mother, what subject does she teach?
My mother is a teacher.
Yes. What subject does she teach?
Math.
Mathematics.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Aulia.
Yes.
Next, Alwan Faiz, are you there? Alwan Faiz. Alwan Faiz, do you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, Alwan Faiz, go on. Introduce yourself, please.
Good morning, sir, and everyone here. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Alwan Faiz Raditya Utomo. You can call me Faiz. I was born in Klaten at 20 May 2003. Now I live in Klaten, which is in Central Java, and I'm taking accounting major at UNS. Thank you.
Okay, how should I call you? Alwan or Faiz?
Yeah, you can call me Faiz.
Faiz. Okay, Faiz. For your information, we don't say dates with cardinal number, but we say dates with ordinal number. So we don't say 20 January, but the 20th of January. You got it?
20th May, yes.
May. Okay. Now answer my question. When were you born? Sorry. When were you born? Answer my question now. When were you born?
At 20 May.
Oh, repeat it. When were you born?
At 20 May.
20th of May.
20th May. Yes.
And the year? What's the year?
2003.
So when I ask you about when you were born, you say the date, the month, and the year. But if I ask you about your birthday, you just say the date and the month. You got it? Okay. Now answer my question. When is your birthday?
At 20 May.
20th of May. And when were you born?
At 20 May at 2003.
2003. Okay, thank you, Faiz. I think that's enough.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Next, Hisham Asadul. Hisham Asadul, are you there? Hisham
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, go on. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Hisham Asadul Haq. People usually call me Hisham. I'm from accounting major, and I was born in Pekalongan, 31st October 2002. My hobby is playing game. That's all for me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, your hobby is playing game. What kind of game do you like to play?
I like FPS game and mobile game. FPS is like shooting.
Okay, mobile games like, for example, Mobile Legends. Do you like Mobile Legends?
Yeah, I play Mobile Legends.
What about Free Fire? FF?
No, the graphic is too low, sir.
Oh, so you don't like it?
Yeah.
What is your opinion about Mobile Legends fans and Free Fire fans? What is your opinion about ML fans and FF fans?
My opinion is like ML game is water and the FF game is like oil. They never can be together, sir.
Okay, that's a good opinion. Thank you, Hisham.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir.
So, is there any of you who hasn't introduced yourself? Is there any of you who hasn't?
Sorry, sir. I didn't introduce myself.
Okay, Keisha Daniela, go on, introduce yourself, please.
Yeah. Okay. Let me introduce myself. Hello, everyone. My name is Keisha Daniela Sepang, commonly called Keisha. I'm from the Management Department of the Faculty of Economics and Business. I'm from South Tangerang City, Banten Province. Yeah, that's all from me.
Okay, Keisha, what is your hobby?
My hobbies are listening to the music, singing, playing music, reading books, running, and watching movies.
Do you play music instruments? Do you play?
Yes.
What music instrument do you play?
Piano.
Piano. What about guitar? What about the guitar? Do you play the guitar?
No, I cannot play guitar.
Just piano.
Yes.
How long have you learned to play piano?
Since I'm in senior high school.
Since in senior high school. What is your favorite song to play with the piano? What is your favorite song to play with the piano?
I think classical major, classic music, yes.
Name one or two titles of the song. For at least
sorry,
maybe
sir, I'm sorry.
Romance d'Amour. No. Okay, thank you, Keisha. I think that's enough for you. So, I think, is there any of you who hasn't introduced yourself? Oke, sudah semua ya, semua sudah perkenalan. Usually in our first meeting, I give you an introduction.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yes, Nabila, what is it?
I'm sorry, Regi Setia is in the last absent. He is not introduced himself yet because he writes in the chat section that he is deaf, sir.
Okay, I'll deal with him later. But for now, I repeat once again. Usually in our first meeting, I give you an introduction to EAP. Biasanya di pertemuan pertama, saya sampaikan pengantar EAP. But now I have a video about it. So I'd like you to watch the video and I'll share the link in the chat room. Saya akan share linknya di chat room. This is a video about introduction to EAP. Sebentar, saya cari linknya. Saya akan share linknya di kolom chat. This is a video of one of my friends' channel. Ini adalah video dari salah satu dari channel salah satu teman saya yang ngajar di UPTP 3B Bahasa juga. Silahkan mana ini? Silahkan buka kolom chat, ada link YouTube di situ. Silahkan dibuka, silahkan dilihat videonya. Durasinya sekitar 15 menit. So enjoy the video and I'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes now. Have you finished watching the video? Hello? Hello? Have you finished watching the video?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Do you have any questions about the content of the video?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, I have something for you to note. Ada beberapa hal yang perlu kita pahami, tambahan dari saya, sehubungan dengan tadi yang sudah kalian lihat di video YouTube tadi. Oke, yang pertama, tadi disampaikan kelas EAP kita kan berlangsung selama 16 tatap muka. Tiap tatap mukanya berlangsung selama 100 menit. Jadi kalau tadi kita mulainya jam 8.50, berarti selesainya jam 10.30. Udah hampir habis ini waktunya ya. Oke, nggak apa-apa, saya tambahkan sedikit ya. Terus tadi disampaikan juga pengambilan nilai EAP adalah berdasarkan kehadiran, keaktifan, tugas terstruktur, dan post-test. Kehadiran itu maksudnya ya presensinya itu ya, absennya. Kemudian keaktifan itu maksudnya keaktifan di kelas. Biasanya kalau mengajar IEP, saya sering mengajak berdiskusi atau sering juga melempar pertanyaan. Kalau kalian aktif ikut berdiskusi atau aktif menjawab pertanyaan atau aktif bertanya, itu nilai keaktifannya tinggi. Tapi kalau cuma diem aja, pasif gitu, nilai keaktifannya rendah. Terus tugas terstruktur, saya akan kasih dua macam ya, ada tugas speaking dan tugas writing. Tugas speaking 2 kali, tugas writing 2 kali. Tapi tugas speaking sebetulnya tinggal sekali lagi. Karena untuk yang tugas speaking 1 sudah tadi waktu perkenalan itu saya anggap sebagai tugas speaking 1. Jadi tinggal 1 kali lagi speakingnya. Terus post test dilaksanakan di luar 16 tatap muka. Jadi kita selesaikan dulu 16 tatap muka, setelah itu baru kalian ikut post test. Kemudian toleransi keterlambatan adalah 10 menit. Jadi kalau kita masuknya jam 10.40 maksimal kalau kita masuknya jam 8:50 maksimal jam 9 harus sudah ada di room Zoom ini. Kalau lebih dari jam 9 kemungkinan link presensi sudah saya tutup dan kalian nggak bisa absen. Kalau nggak absen berarti ya dianggap tidak masuk. Padahal tadi ada ketentuan kehadiran kan harus 100%. Jadi 16 tatap muka kalian harus ikut terus. Kalau misalnya suatu ketika terpaksa tidak masuk karena ada sesuatu yang urgent, kalian harus segera lapor ke saya. Lapor ke saya, kemudian kalian harus mengganti ikut di kelas saya yang lain. Jadi kalau tidak masuk karena misalnya sakit atau karena ada kepentingan yang tidak bisa ditinggal, atau karena telat lebih dari 10 menit terus nggak bisa absen, kalian segera lapor ke saya untuk kita bicarakan penggantiannya. Kapan? Kemudian selama kelas berlangsung saya minta kamera kalian diaktifkan ya. Misalnya Jovan, Nabila, Aulia, Dava. Jovan, do you hear me? Nabila, Aulia, Dava.
Sebentar Pak, tadi saya lagi disuruh Pak. Sebentar Pak.
Oke.
Mohon maaf Pak.
Ya. Jadi selama kelas berlangsung Saya minta kamera diaktifkan. Kalau nggak aktif, terus saya panggil-panggil nggak jawab seperti Nabila Sinta ini. Nah, ini bisa saya anggap tidak masuk. Karena mungkin cuma masuk, terus absen, terus ditinggal pergi. Ya, itu sama aja nggak masuk. Jadi Nabila Sinta seperti ini mungkin bisa saya anggap tidak masuk. Tapi untuk kali ini saya tahu karena tadi Nabila sudah izin. Sebelum kelas berlangsung, Nabila sudah WA Japri saya izin kalau memang dia ada keperluan penting sehingga kadang ditinggal-tinggal. Kalau izin dulu gini ya nggak apa-apa. Terus berikutnya untuk identitas kalian di kelas IEP ini, kalian bisa sebutkan nama, terus kelas EAP kita yaitu B30. Kemudian kalau perlu ditambah dengan nomor absen kalian. Nomor absen kalian adalah yang ada di daftar hadir yang ada di dalam bentuk Google Form yang saya share di kolom chat itu. Jadi di Google Form itu kan ada daftar hadirnya, ada nomor kalian masing-masing. Kalau bisa itu juga kalian hafalkan. Misalnya kalian ngechat saya, kalian sebutkan nama kalian terus kelas EAP kita, nggak perlu sebutkan NIM atau prodi ya, saya nggak hafal. Tapi kalau kalian nggak sebutkan kelasnya, saya jadi bingung. Jadi kalau kalian ngechat saya, tuliskan nama, terus kelas kita B30, kalau perlu ditambah dengan nomor absen. Kemudian berikutnya untuk materi IEP, saya akan share di grup WA kelas kita setelah kelas ini selesai. Nanti habis ini saya akan share materinya. Kemudian biasanya dalam setiap sesi, dalam setiap tatap muka, saya akan melakukan foto bersama untuk laporan. Tadi kita belum foto ya. Sekarang kita foto dulu ya. Sebentar kita foto. Oke, saya siapkan. Sudah? Sudah siap? Ya, oke. Kita foto. 1, 2, 3. Ya, oke. Sudah. Good. Thank you. Kalau misalnya saya lupa, tolong diingatkan. Atau salah satu dari kalian ada yang nge-screenshot terus kirimkan ke saya atau ke WA grup kelas kita. Kalau misalnya saya lupa gitu kan ada dokumentasinya teman. Itu sekedar untuk laporan saja, untuk saya laporkan. Itu saja tambahan dari saya. Ada pertanyaan? Untuk yang hari ini belum perkenalan, saya minta menghubungi saya lewat WA Japri. Japri saya lewat WA yang hari ini belum perkenalan. Ada lagi pertanyaan? Tidak ada.
Saya Pak.
Oh iya, silahkan Hisham.
Nama saya nggak ada di form, gimana ya Pak?
Oh iya, untuk Hisham sama Alwan, maaf saya lupa belum memasukkan karena kamu memang susulan kan ya.
Iya,
Tadi malam saya mau memasukkan nama kalian tapi lupa. Habis ini saya masukkan. Terus nanti kalian udah chat saya ya? Hisham sama Alwan sudah pernah ngechat saya di WA?
Belum Pak, belum.
Oh, belum. Oke, berarti habis ini Alwan, Faiz sama Hisham tolong chat saya. Nanti saya kirimkan link untuk absen untuk kalian berdua yang sudah ada nama kalian.
Oke, Pak.
Terima kasih Pak.
Kelas ini. Ada lagi pertanyaan? Oke, kalau enggak, ini juga waktunya sudah habis, sudah molor 5 menit malahan. Oke, saya kira untuk hari ini sudah cukup. Thank you and see you next week. Silakan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Silakan boleh live sekarang.
Terbayang.
Apa?